ഹലോ ഫ്രണ്ട്സ്, ഫാർമസിസ്റ്റ് ഗ്രേഡ് 2 എന്ന യൂട്യൂബ് ചാനലിൻ്റെ മറ്റൊരു എപ്പിസോഡിലേക്ക് ഏവർക്കും സ്വാഗതം. ഇന്നും എക്സാം ഓറിയൻറ്റഡ് ആയിട്ടുള്ള ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ ആൻസേഴ്സ് ആണ് എടുത്തിട്ടുള്ളത്. സബ്ജക്റ്റ് ഫാർമസ്യൂട്ടിക്കൽ കെമിസ്ട്രി. ഫസ്റ്റ് ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ: ദി നാച്ചുറൽ ആൽക്കലോയിഡ് യൂസ്ഡ് ആസ് മിയോട്ടിക് ഇൻ ട്രീറ്റ്മെൻറ്റ് ഓഫ് ഗ്ലൂക്കോമ ഈസ് ഡാഷ്. ചോയ്സ്: എഫിഡ്രിൻ, നിക്കോട്ടിൻ, പൈലോകാർപ്പിൻ. Question again: a natural alkaloid used as meiotic in treatment of glaucoma is. Correct answer: pilocarpine. Question number 2: neostigmine bromide is used orally for the treatment of dash. Choice: Parkinsonism, glaucoma, myasthenia gravis. Question again: neostigmine bromide is used orally for the treatment of. Correct answer: myasthenia gravis. Question number 3: D-penicillamine is a chelating agent used in dash. Choice: copper and lead poisoning, Wilson's disease, rheumatoid arthritis, all the above. Question again: a D-penicillamine is a chelating agent used in. Correct answer: all the above. It is used in copper and lead poisoning, used for the treatment of Wilson's disease. D-penicillamine is used in the treatment of rheumatoid arthritis. Question number 4: pepsin is dash. Choice: proteolytic enzyme, carbohydrate, alkaloid, protein. Question again: pepsin is dash. Correct answer: proteolytic enzyme. Question number 5: hypoglycemic agent used in DM is dash. Choice: phenindamine, pheneramine, fenformin. Question again: hypoglycemic agent used in diabetic mellitus is dash. Correct answer: fenformin. Question number 6: Gardinal and Luminal are brand name of dash. Choice: butabarbital, cyclobarbital, phenobarbital. Question again: Gardinal and Luminal are brand name of. Correct answer: phenobarbital. Question number 7: phenol is dash. Choice: carboxylic acid, acetic acid, benzoic acid, salicylic acid. Question again: phenol is. Correct answer: carboxylic acid. Question number 8: penicillin V is dash. Choice: phenoxymethyl penicillin, phenoxyethyl penicillin, benzyl penicillin, procaine penicillin. Question again: penicillin V is. Correct answer: phenoxymethyl penicillin. Benzyl penicillin is called penicillin G. Question number 9: piperidine is mainly used in dash. Glaucoma, CCF, Parkinsonism, renal failure. Question again: piperidine is mainly used in. Correct answer: Parkinsonism. Question number 10: clofazimine is used in the treatment of dash. Choice: leprosy, typhoid, cancer, amoebiasis. Question again: clofazimine is used in the treatment of. Correct answer: leprosy. Question number 11: choose the antifungal antibiotic from the following. Choice: gentamicin, ampicillin, erythromycin, griseofulvin. Question again: choose the antifungal antibiotic from the following. Correct answer: griseofulvin. Question number 12: diphenhydramine hydrochloride is a dash. Choice: antihistamine, antipyretic, antithyroid drug, analgesic. Question again: diphenhydramine hydrochloride is a antihistamine. Question number 13: sodium lauryl sulfate is a dash. Choice: surface active agent, glycoside, alkaloid, emulsifying agent. Question again: sodium lauryl sulfate is a. Correct answer: surface active agent. Question number 14: nystatin is a dash. Choice: hormone, antibiotic, antimalarial, antifungal antibiotic. Question again, nystatin is a correct answer, antifungal antibiotic. Question number 15. Ephedrine is a dash. Choice tannin, glycoside, alkaloid. Question again, ephedrine is a correct answer, alkaloid. Question number 16. Pethidine is a synthetic analog of dash. Choice caffeine, digitoxin, morphine, atropine. Question again, pethidine is a synthetic analog of correct answer, morphine. Question number 17. Dapsone is used in the treatment of dash. Choice fungal disease, leprosy, headache, fever. Question again, dapsone is used in the treatment of correct answer, leprosy. Question number 18. Piperine is a dash. Choice vasodilator, antihistamine, antithyroid drug, psychoactive drug. Question again, piperine is a correct answer, vasodilator. Question number 19. Carbimazole is a dash. Choice diagnostic agent, coagulant, surface active agent, antithyroid drug. Question again, carbimazole is a correct answer, antithyroid drugs. Question number 20. Benzalkonium chloride is a dash. Choice coagulating agent, surface active agent, hypoglycemic agent, sedative. Question again, benzalkonium chloride is a correct answer, surface active agent. Question number 21. Aneurin is dash. Vitamin B12, vitamin B1, antibiotic, vitamin B6. Question again, aneurin is vitamin B1, that is thiamine. Vitamin B12 is cyanocobalamin. Vitamin B6 is pyridoxine. Question number 22. Use of methyl paraben is as dash. Choice flavoring agent, sweetening agent, preservative, coloring agent. Question again, use of methyl paraben is as preservative. Question number 23. Antipyretics are used to dash. Choice increase the body pain, increase the body temperature, reduce the body pain, reduce the elevated body temperature. Question again, antipyretics are used to correct answer, reduce the elevated body temperature. Question number 24. Theobromine is a derivative of dash. Choice bromine, acridine, quinoline, xanthine. Question again, theobromine is a derivative of correct answer, xanthine. Caffeine and methyl xanthines are also the derivatives of xanthine. Question number 25. Glycerol is a dash. Choice aldehyde, trihydric alcohol, phenol, ketone. Question again, glycerol is a correct answer, trihydric alcohol. Question number 26. Dapsone belongs to dash. Choice antibiotic, sulfones, aldehydes, amines. Question again, dapsone belong to correct answer, sulfones. Question number 27. Pethidine is a derivative of dash. Choice quinine, xanthine, piperidine, acridine. Question again, pethidine is a derivative of piperidine. Correct answer, piperidine. Question number 28. Piperazine citrate administered in the form of dash. Choice elixir, ointment, injection, lotion. Question again, piperazine citrate administered in the form of correct answer, elixir. Question number 29. Chlorocresol is a dash. Choice sweetening agent, emetic, preservative, antioxidant. Question again, chlorocresol is a correct answer, preservative. Question number 30. Quinidine is a dash. Choice vitamin, hormone, cardiovascular agent, glycoside. Question again, quinidine is a Correct answer, cardiovascular agent. Question number 31. Vitamin D2 is dash. Choice: menadione, retinol, tocopherol, calciferol. Question again. Vitamin D2 is, correct answer, calciferol. Here menadione is vitamin K3, tocopherol is vitamin E, retinol is vitamin A1. Thank you.